Hello friends! In this video we are going to teach you how to charge an account via Tether TRC20 in the HF Markets broker. When we enter the trading cabin in this broker, we select the payment method as crypto from the deposit section. We select the first option and enter the desired width and amount. In this section you are able to select the broker's suggested amounts, otherwise manually enter the amount of the comment. The minimum amount you can use to fund your account is $30. You select the cryptocurrency of choice, which is Tether TRC20, and click on the deposit option. The page that opens for you. The QR code that will be displayed to you is for one-time use only, and you will not be able to use this QR code for subsequent deposits. You need to scan this with your wallet camera or copy the address and paste it into your wallet's address section. After completing the wallet-related steps, you click on the Pay Successfully option. And as you can see, a message will be displayed to you from the broker, stating that your payment operation was successful and the amount was deducted from your wallet. In the next few minutes, it will be transferred to your account at HF Markets Broker. As you can see, by refreshing this option, the amount has been transferred to your wallet in the broker. In future videos, we will show you how to deposit and withdraw using different methods, step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.